Hello everyone, and welcome to the Trademark Information Network. I'm Mark Trademan, alongside Sanjaya Mahajan, our investigative reporter, and Grant Gainsworth, our senior news analyst. Here at the network, we are dedicated to bringing you the most up-to-date information that will help you apply to register your trademark and, if successful, keep that registration alive. Hope you'll stay with us throughout the news cycle. Now, Sanjaya, I understand you have a report to start us off. A bit of a coup, I hear.
Well, something like that, Mark. One of the first questions that's always asked is what exactly is a trademark and how is that different from a patent or a copyright? To answer that question, I thought we'd go straight to the source. With me via satellite is the Undersecretary of Commerce for Intellectual Property and the Director of the United States Patent and Trademark Office, as well as the Deputy Undersecretary and Deputy Director. Hello to you both and welcome to the program.
Well, thanks, Sanjaya.
Happy to be here.
Director, let's begin with you. So what exactly are patents and trademarks and copyrights?
Well, patents, trademarks, and copyrights are all types of intellectual property. They're often confused, but each one protects a distinct property right.
Such as?
Well, patents are technical and scientific. They protect inventions like machines and ways of manufacturing. Trademarks are business-oriented and protect brand names and slogans and logos. Copyrights are often entertainment-oriented, protect artistic works like books and movies, paintings and music.
Can you give us an example of the differences between them?
Well, sure. Let's say you have invented a new kind of vacuum cleaner. You'd get a patent to protect the invention itself. You'd register a trademark to protect the brand name of the vacuum cleaner, and you might register a copyright for the TV commercial that you use to market the product.
Interesting. And you protect all three at the office?
Well, we don't actually. Although all intellectual property is protected by the Constitution, Congress has determined that our office only handles patents and trademarks. Copyrights are registered through the U.S. Copyright Office.
I see. Now, Deputy Director, how do you get a patent or a trademark registration? Do you just fill out a form, pay a fee, and you're all set?
Well, sometimes applicants wish that it was that easy, but the process is a bit more complex.
How so?
Well, the law requires that patent and trademark applications must be examined before they can be approved. On the patent side, for example, an invention must be new, useful, and non-obvious. So, our examiners take the time to make sure each application meets that test.
And what about on the trademark side?
On the trademark side, the examining attorneys make sure the mark complies with all of the legal requirements for a registration of a mark. For example, that the mark isn't descriptive, generic, or likely to cause confusion with other registered marks.
Sounds like that can take some time.
It does, but the examination process is critical to fostering innovation and competitiveness in the marketplace.
Which is part of our mission. We are dedicated to providing timely and high-quality examination of patent and trademark applications. So not only do we grant patents and register trademarks, but our examination process gives a layer of protection to those trademarks and patented inventions that are already on the books.
All while providing the best customer service possible.
Well, exactly. You might not always get your patent or register your trademark, but our goal is to make sure the process is conducted in a courteous and professional manner from beginning to end.
So no guarantees, huh?
No, sorry.
But if I could, I think this is an important point. Applying for a patent or a trademark is actually a legal proceeding. So it's understandable that the process can take some time to resolve itself.
Well, very true. And I should also point out that we take that process and our applicants' experience with it very seriously. We are constantly working to make the process more efficient and user-friendly so that our applicants can get back to doing what they do best, which is inventing, innovating, and driving our country forward.
Well, I know our viewers will be happy to hear it.
It's a top priority.
No doubt about it.
Thank you both for being with us. Appreciate your time.
Anytime, Sanjaya.
My pleasure.
There you have it, Mark, a breakdown of intellectual property from the folks who know it best.